And it's the 8th of June, Further Maths 5 a day, and let's just go straight to the first question. Right, what do we have? So a keyword here is the word cyclic, because that means that I know opposite angles add to 180, which means I can set up two equations, two unknowns, solve them, and hopefully get to the right answers. So let's do that. So looking first of all at these opposite two here, I've got x plus 9y plus 4x plus 2y is equal to 180. Let's make this into one neater thing. So 5x plus 11y equals 180, and that is going to be my equation 1. And next up, looking at the other two. So again, very similar. I have 8x minus y plus 7x minus 2y is equal to 180. I can collect my terms. So I've got 15x minus 3y is equal to 180. Now, I can either choose my x's or my y's. It looks easier to do x's because I can multiply the first one by 3. So I'm going to write 3 times 1 underneath, which is going to give me 15x plus 33y is equal to 3 times 180 is 540. Then I'm going to take these away. So I'm going to do bottom minus top. So 15 minus 15 goes away. 33 minus minus 3 is 36y. So I'm hoping this is going to cancel down nicely. And 540 minus 180 is 360. It does indeed, because it gives me that y is equal to 10. Let's put this back into equation 1. So equation 1 says 5x that I don't know, plus 11 times 10 that I do know, 110, is equal to 180, which means that 5x is equal to 70, which means that x is equal to 14. And that's it. Now, obviously, put your answers on the answer line, or just make sure they're very clear. Don't make the examiner hunt for the answers. X equals 14, y equals 10. Next question. F of x equals a thing, use a factor theorem. So it says very explicitly that I need to show the factor theorem. So I'm just going to do f of minus a third, which is basically the thing that solves that to 0. And that's going to give me, now because I'm using it and showing, I at least need to show the step in between. So it's going to be minus 1/3 cubed minus 11 times minus 1/3 squared plus 8 times minus a third plus 4. Now, in a this could be a non-calculated question, couldn't it? But I at least want to show some element of working. So if this is 2 marks, probably 1 mark for reasoning, 1 mark for algebra, but I might play it safe in the exam and just do one step in between. So that's going to be 3 times minus 1/27 minus 11 times a ninth, squared, minus 8 times a third plus 4. There I brought the minus to the outside. Get my calculator just to check it. Does indeed give me 0. Then bring it all together. So as f of a third equals 0 by factor theorem, 3x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Excellent. Question done. Next question. And unsurprisingly, factorize fully. Now, I think hopefully you can kind of just do this. So I'm going to talk through how I do it. So I know from the first part that 3x plus 1 is a factor of f of x. Looking at this here, I've got a 3x. I want a 3x cubed, so I'm going to multiply that by x squared to get my 3x cubed. Similarly, I've got a 1 and I want a plus 4, so this is going to be a plus 4 here to give me the plus 4. Then the next part, this is the difficult bit. So 3 times plus 4 is plus 12, and I want plus 8, so therefore I need to take away 4x to get me back to 8. So in other words, I can factorize this f of x down to 3x plus 1, x squared minus 4x plus 4. But that's not fully factorized. So I could also factorize a quadratic. So that's going to be 3x plus 1, just copy from above. And actually that's a perfect square, isn't it? That's x minus 2 all squared. And that is now fully factorized. Next question, y equals this thing here, work out d2y dx. So the first thing I'm going to do is expand this. So that's going to give me x squared minus x cubed, I don't mind about the order, plus 5 minus 5x. And then I'm going to differentiate it once. So dy dx is equal to 2x minus 3x squared plus, well, plus 5 goes away, so just minus 5. And then I'm going to differentiate again because it says d2y dx squared. And that's going to give me 2 minus 6x. And that's it as well. And then it says when x equals minus 1. So I'm just going to write x equals minus 1, d2y dx squared. The thing I'm trying to find is 2 minus 6 times minus 1. Minus minus is a plus, so it's 2 plus 6, which is 8. And that is today done. Usual comment, really. Decent mix of questions today. First one could be GCSE. Second and third one, definitely further maths. And the last one, definitely further maths, because you don't differentiate at GCSE. That's it. Let me know how it went for you. Like, subscribe. See you tomorrow.